Hello, Joe here from Infinity of Tacoma. Today I'm going to tell you about this beautiful 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 that we took in on trade. We took this one in on trade for a brand new Infinity. This one only has 8,000 miles on it. And you might be wondering, why would someone trade such a nice, relatively new low mileage Mercedes in? Well, they had a growing family and they needed something with third row seating. This one only has second. 2 rows of seats. They traded in for a 3-row new Infinity QX60, and that's why we took it in on trade. But the nice thing for you is when people buy a brand new car and you drive it off the lot, that's usually the biggest initial hit in depreciation a car takes, is when it becomes new to use. So someone already did that for you. So if you like the options and color combination, this 2019 GLC is really an awesome value. Nice color combination in white on black leather. Nice upscale interior, nice clean lines. They did a great job designing the GLC 300. It's based on the same platform as the Mercedes-Benz C300, the C-Class Mercedes. So with that great rural drive platform, of course this one has the 4MATIC all-wheel drive, but their rural drive based platform is better. Rural drive based platforms are generally better for performance and feel, and usually front wheel drive platforms a little bit more economical. So when you see front-wheel drive platforms on luxury cars, usually that means they're making concessions for, you know, building things to a price point, where rear-wheel drive generally offers better driving dynamics. Nice, easy to use infotainment system. You have this dial right here, so you can go through different systems and settings. Navigation, we are missing the nav disc, we'll have to get that. Of course, you have Bluetooth, you can connect your smartphone. Nice open pore wood trim on the interior. Love the circular vents, very simple and clean look on the interior. You have a overhead camera, making parallel parking very easy. Huge panoramic sunroof to allow a lot of natural light in the interior, and then if it gets too bright, we have sunshades to dim things down. Unfortunately, we're not in any danger of being too bright today on this November dreary day we're having. It's actually not too bad. The sun is trying to come out. And as you can imagine, with a little over 8,000 miles, this thing is in near pristine condition, hardly a mark on it, almost in new condition. Interior space is generous. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height. I have plenty of leg room, headroom, shoulder room back here. And that second row sunroof is also a nice touch. Power rear liftgate. Nice cargo area protector, cargo area cover. Keeps things out of prying eyes, and you can remove that, fold down those seats for more interior space. Really nice lines on this GLC. Notice the dual exhaust system for a little bit more of a performance stance. This one is powered by a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's used in a lot of Mercedes-Benz products. It makes about 240 horsepower, 270 pound-feet of torque. Plenty of power for this vehicle. I don't think too many people would be wanting more performance. Of course, they do have higher horsepower versions if you do want more performance, but I think for most people that will work. It's hooked up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, so those 9 forward gears will help with your performance, will help with your gas mileage. I believe the EPA rating is about 28 miles per gallon on the highway, which is pretty good for a vehicle this size. It's also backed by a 5-day, 100% money-back guarantee. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you in our store very soon, and have a wonderful day.